Completed process from Subprocess.Run doesn't return a string. According to the Python 3.5 docs, Subprocess.Run returns a completed process object with a stout member that contains a byte sequence, or a string if run was called with universal_newlines equals true. I am only seeing a byte sequence and not a string, which I was hoping would be equivalent to a text line. For example, note, this uses a new feature in Python 3.5 that won't run in previous versions. Do I need to create my own line buffering logic, or is there a way to get Python to do that for me?
You are seeing a string, compare. Class bytes. Run calls popen.communicate. Communicate returns a tuple, stout_data, steer_data. The data will be bytes or, if universal_newlines was true, strings. Have a look here for more explanation and other shell interactions.
Proc.stout is already a string in your case. Run print type proc.stout to make sure. It contains all subprocess output. Subprocess.run does not return until the child process is dead. For text_line in proc.stout column is incorrect. For char in text_string enumerates characters, Unicode code points, in Python, not lines. To get lines, call. The result may be different from .split, \n, if there are Unicode new lines in the string. If you want to read the output line by line, to avoid running out of memory for long-running processes. Note, process.stout is a file-like object in this case. Popen does not wait for the process to finish. Popen returns immediately as soon as the child process is started. Process is a subprocess.popen instance, not completed process here. If all you need is to count the number of lines, terminated by \n, in the output, like wcl. See why is reading lines from std much slower in C++ than Python.
If you need to have stout lines in an array to better manipulate them, you simply missed a split output by the universal newline separators. Output is
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.